In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OCR and scan, feature Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By the end, you'll know how to turn a scanned or image-based PDF into a searchable, selectable document, and how to review and save your results with confidence. Start with your PDF open in Acrobat Pro DC. Head up to Tools, then choose Scan and OCR. This brings up the workspace designed specifically for recognizing text. Next, click Recognize Text and select in this file. Acrobat will display the Recognize Text toolbar, which is where you'll set the key options before running OCR. First, pick the page range you want to process. You can run OCR on all pages or just a specific range. If the file is long, it's often helpful to start with a smaller range to verify your settings and check accuracy before processing the entire document. Choose the language of the text. Setting the correct language improves recognition accuracy, especially for accented characters or specialized alphabets. Select the primary language used in your document. If you want more control, click Settings. Under PDF Output Style, decide how you want Acrobat to handle the final output. Searchable Image preserves the look of your original pages while layering invisible, searchable text behind them. Searchable Image, Exact, also preserves the original appearance as precisely as possible, which is useful when formatting must remain unchanged. Editable Text and Images attempts to convert recognized text and images into fully editable content. This is great for making edits, but it can slightly alter the layout in complex documents. You can also enable downsample to reduce image resolution and shrink the file size after OCR. This helps with large files, but keep in mind that heavy downsampling can affect zoomed-in clarity. When you're ready, click Recognize Text to start the OCR process. Acrobat will work through the pages and update once it's finished. For bigger or image-heavy PDFs, give it a bit of time. To improve accuracy, it's a good idea to review and correct the recognized text. Go back to Tools, open Scan and OCR, and choose Correct Recognized Text. Acrobat will highlight suspect words it's uncertain about. Click each highlighted item to compare the original image with the recognized text and make manual corrections where needed. Use the Review Recognized Text option to quickly move through potential problem areas. Zooming in on small type or faint scans can make this step easier. Once you're satisfied, save your document. Choose File, then Save, or use Save. As if you want to keep an untouched original for backup. That's it. You've successfully used OCR in Acrobat Pro DC.